welcome back to another video. Behind me, Coach is working on another S15 Silvia. Tell us what's going on, Coach.
We're doing a battery relocation. So right now we're installing the rib nuts in the trunk to install the battery box so it's mounted. So we drill out the holes, mount the rib nuts in it so they'll actually bolt in. What else are we doing up here? We're doing in-dash. So we're changing out the Japanese computer or in-dash for an American one. And then we relocated these gauges. These gauges used to be mounted on top of the dash, so they make vent conversions. So now they're installed in the vents. We're doing a reverse camera and just maintenance stuff. Wash the engine bay. It has an oil leak we're fixing. Pretty much just maintenance stuff on it. She's pretty.
She is pretty.
Yep.
With the Blitz.
Yeah, with Blitz L3s. Woo! Fancy boy, huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful. I mean, you wonder what the hype is until you see them.
Right.
And then you're like, oh yeah, that's the hype.
It's a hype for sure.
That's the hype. Beautiful. Good old one. I'm just pretty happy right now for the first time in a long time.
That's good to hear.
Yeah. Sweet. Seats out. Yeah, look, there's no scratches on the buckle. You see it? It's never been buckled. It's all like dirty, you see it? But there's not like any wear indication anywhere that these were ever buckled in. Pack of cigarette fucking cellophane. Standard Japanese.
Yeah. No lotteries, no nothing.
Nah, no money. Whatever the hell this is.
What is that?
I don't know. Piece of plastic. Alright, so long as I feed it, it doesn't get stuck. So we're fine. This will keep it behind the kick panel.
What gauge is that?
0.
0 gauge?
Yeah. It's also for the ground too, you know?
Right.
Which takes like, what, 2-3 feet? You know what I mean? To get a good ground where you kind of want it, you know? Making our way, right?
Yes, sir.
Where are you? There it is. See? Underneath the bracket.
Right.
There's no way to do that with the seat in.
No, that's...
Yeah, it's not that hard to pull the seat, so that's why I did it.
Right.
See, put the ABS module here. You know, it's usually here on our cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. 14.
Under the center console?
Center console, yeah. Back seat. Crazy. That's the shit you sit on when you sit in the center. You jump in. It's like, ow, what the fuck was that? Oh yeah, that's my airbags. Don't hit it too hard. This one's nice. It has a suede steering wheel.
Right.
Yeah. I was like, whoa, this is really nice. I don't know if it's an aftermarket, you know, or it was an option. I'm not actually 100% sure on that, but all the ones that come in just have the leather style, fucked up leather.
Right.
Yeah, they're not like this. This one's really nice. Look.
It's clean.
It feels like mine's. You know, it probably is like a mine steering wheel or something. And then it just has it's like an aftermarket steering wheel with a S15 cover. Because look at the cover, it doesn't match the.
Right. Even the stitchings.
Yeah, and the leather. Look at the leather. It doesn't match this at all. This is brand new for sure. You could tell this is new, but this is not.
Right.
So it's for sure aftermarket steering wheel. That's cool. I'm gonna ask him what he put in it.
Yeah, try it. It feels weird.
Poke the hole. Interesting, huh?
That is very interesting.
Yeah. I was like, poke the hole, watch. Yeah, see, I'll probably just cut this corner off and mount it right there. I can just slice this corner of the carpet off. It won't look bad. I could just mount it over the carpet too. I'll probably just do that. Just put some screws through the carpet. It will look cleaner.
Right, it will.
It's only the breaker. It doesn't have to be like crazily mounted. It just needs to be somewhere where it's not going to be moving. got a 100 amp breaker. Works great. That's how you turn your battery off. You just hit the button. When you get your battery back on, click it like that. And then we're gonna mount that guy like somewhere up right there, so it's easy to get to. Let's see here. Load side is this way, so it needs to mount it this way, which is even better because the button's on the outside. See, like that. Shit you throw in your trunk's not gonna hit that button. Yeah, I've mounted them over here before, and like if you throw something like axles in your trunk, that's strong enough to hit that, click the fucking breaker off, which is not a big deal. You try to start your car and the batteries, there's no battery, and then you just click the button and then the battery's back on. Yeah, that worked great. I like that right there. I'm just gonna screw it right through the carpet. The gas tank's down there, so you can't. There it is. See? Doodle it all. Hit the button. Click it back on. And then you can bolt it in. See, now make that curve like that. And then you want it to come off it right there like that. You know? Cool. Let's go. Next step done. Now. And then you gotta do the other one. You gotta cut these and put the crimps on them. Now I'm back. Okay. We got this guy here. We gotta get this guy loaded up in this thing so you can crimp it properly. There we go. Load it in there. Get this guy in here. Goes, load it up, load it in, lock and load, baby. There we go. Professional cramped. Shrink clamp it on. Go, ready to go. One more. Okay. Alright, gonna do that one more time. Let's go. And the machine shop spilled a bunch of metal shavings out back the other day. Got on the bottom of my shoes, I didn't notice. Got in a car, got in another car. I look and I'm like, what's that shiny shit on the floor? It's fucking metal all on the floor. 3 of the fucking Skylines.
Fuck.
You know what I mean? So I had to fucking go and pick out every little piece of. God damn it! I had to go over and yell at them. Well, bro, dude, you guys can't fucking do this.
Yeah.
Like, I get it. I don't care if there's a little bit, but there's metal everywhere out here.
Damn.
Like, if I walk out to the hose right now, I step in your metal, and then what do? I go step in one of my fucking very expensive cars, and now I got metal on their fucking floorboard of their car, which is not okay.
Yeah.
So.
Not acceptable.
Yeah, it's not acceptable, dude. Come on, guys. So I was out there sweeping. They came out and helped me sweep it out. It's like, dude, what the fuck? It's like that bad shavings, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The ones that are all curly and fucked up. Go. Crimped. Yeah, solid. Wrap it up. Pretty look. Perfect. That one's gonna go to the battery. This one's gonna go here. This one's gonna go here. Get these tools out. We'll bolt those down, and that's it. Clean up a mess. Tight. Sweet. What do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah, great. Okay, cool. I like it. Looks professional. Sweet. I'll take it. Yeah. And here's the carpet. And that fits under the strut bar over here. And then see what you do is you just fold it under here. And just like that. And then you still have full carpet. We don't
Yes,
have to
sir.
like destroy the carpet or cut it. We can cut it too, but I tend not to cut the carpet because usually it's so thin it'll just fine to fold over like that, and that looks better than it sliced. Fantastic. Pixelated. Engine bay looks amazing. I did a full cleanup on it.
Nice.
Super clean.
Tell us about the work you did, Coach.
I did an oil pump, which meant take the whole motor apart. Modified the intercooler piping to clear the fog lights. Installed the fog lights. Rear F1 light. In-dash. Reverse camera. We moved the gauges to the AC vents from off the dash. Also battery location in the trunk. Yeah, I completely changed up the engine bay, like all the blow-off valve hose and all the vacuum lines and all that shit were all fucking retardedly routed on this car.
It's low.